Good morning, students. Yesterday, I was discussing about the expectation of employers, employees, then suppliers, creditors, all those things I discussed. Today, I am going to discuss the expectation of few more stakeholders. You know the meaning of stakeholders? Basically, now I am discussing the expectation of external stakeholder. Why they are external stakeholders? Because these kind of stakeholders are not taking active part from inside the organization or within the organizations or into the day-to-day functioning of the organizations, but they are also interested for the upliftment and the betterment of the organizations, business organization. Those types of stakeholders are called external stakeholder, and the external stakeholder has also have some expectation from the business organizations. So today I am going to discuss the expectation of competitors. You understand it? Again, I told you like yesterday, expectation, whenever you are going to learn it, there is no need to learn from the book. Always in the practical field you think about yourself. Competitors, like अभी तुम सोचो, तुम्हारा मोहल्ला में 2 दुकान है, 2 आदमी तुम लोग बिजनेस करता है. So you are the competitors of others. What you expect from the other shopkeeper? Always I am telling you. You just think yourself. No need to read the book. You will be able to understand what do you expect from your nearby shopkeeper. And that's what, if you can think it, you will be able to write it. Like what do you think? I have written it, fair trade practice. What do you mean by that fair trade practice? Fair. Fair मतलब क्या है बेटा? Not doing any illegal things. Not doing anything wrong. So what do you expect? हम भी जैसे जितना में suppose you bought the rice, you also bought the same quality of rice, he also bought the same quality of rice. What do you want? हम जितना दाम में बेच रहा है, he should also sell it into the same price. That is what is called the fair trade practice. What do you want? Well, second thing, healthy competition. दोनों का बीच में एक अच्छा competition होना चाहिए. Healthy competition. There should not be any fighting among themselves. No using any bad language about one shopkeeper, about other shopkeeper. That's not fair enough. That is what is called healthy competition. Third one, cooperation. You know business, there is what cooperation means? Understanding between the two businessmen. What is happening? But you must sometimes you notice. Suppose 2 shops are there in a locality, and if you go to one particular shop to buy it, when he doesn't have that particular things what you want, what he do? You get that things from the nearby shopkeeper, and are you giving it to you or not? This is called cooperation. Understanding. दो businessmen का अंदर में understanding होना चाहिए. This is what expect. Okay. Third thing, respect for each other. कोई दूसरा का बारे में बुरा नहीं बोले. That's very important. Then what happened? A good relations will be there. This is known to you people. You are knowing it. What is the expectation of competitors? Now coming, expectation of society, of general public. From any business organization, what the society expect from them? Very important, but I have written it very clearly. Protect the environment from all types of pollutions. What the society want? Society want, let the industry come to our locality. Because if the industry come, the people of that locality is going to get the employment. Earning will increase. But what they want? Earning to badega, but they should protect the environment from all types of pollutions. That's the expectation. What is second expectation? Produce socially desirable products. Means what happened to her? They want that type of products. What is going to beneficial for the society? Okay, which is not going to harm the society. Like nowadays, you know that people are saying don't produce, plastic bags. Use the paper bags. Or use the leaflets and all those things. That is what is called socially desirable products. Next, help the weakest section. What they want, what the society want from the industry. Help the weakest section. So weakest section, when any weakest section will go, some help. What kind of help? They should give some money to them, or they could provide some, medical facilities to them, certain things. Next, donate funds. What do you want? तुम्हारा सोसाइटी में इजी एग्जाम्पल बेटा, एक इंडस्ट्री है, जब तुम दुर्गा पूजा करने जा रहे हैं, कि ईद मनाने जा रहा है, कि क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेशन बनाने जा रहे हैं, व्हाट यू वांट? दे शुड डोनेट सम फंड. Yes or no? Employment generation, I told you. What the society want? Always society want. Whenever any industry come, whenever any business organization come, the people of the local people should get the job. That is what is we are talking about employment generation. Next coming expectation of government. All of us are knowing what government are written here. Follow all the rules and regulations. What the government wants for business organization? They should follow all the rules and regulations implemented by the government. Pay all the taxes on time. What they want? Always pay the tax on time. Next, avoid corrupting public servant. This you understand the meaning of this. Avoid corrupting public servant. What the big businessmen do? Some they have lot of money. So to get the work, what they are doing? Sometimes they go and they bribe the higher authorities. पैसा देता है. सर मेरा काम कर दीजिए 5,000 रुपया दे देंगे 10,000 रुपया दे. What they are doing it? They are corrupting the public servant. So they said they should not do it. This is the government one. And no wastage of resources. You should not waste the resources what you are getting from the nature. If you waste it, you will suffer. So this is what I discussed about the expectation of competitors, expectation of society, and expectation of government. Again, I am telling you, expectation, there is no need to read from the books. Though I have given you the point. You think about yourself. What do you expect if you are in that particular place? You will be right, at least 3 to 4 points you will be able to write yourself. Now I am going to discuss a point. I got some phone call from the students also. So I am going to discuss it. Conflicting needs of stakeholder in a company. It is not given in a book. Let me explain you. Conflicting need of the stakeholder of a company. Again, in a company there are different kinds of stakeholders are there. Now what do you mean by the conflicting needs? Because एक stakeholder अपना फायदा देखेगा तो दूसरा stakeholder उसका अपना फायदा देखेगा तो दोनों का बीच में both are stakeholder. But there is a misunderstanding between the stakeholders. That is what is called the conflicting need of the stakeholder. Like if I give an example first. Conflicting needs of employers and employees. Understand? Conflicting needs of employers and employees. Who is the employers? Employers means those who are the owner और जिसको हम लोग मालिक बोलता है. And who are the employees? Employees मतलब जो काम करता है. Again, conflicting need of employer and employees. Employer का मतलब होता है जो नौकरी दिया है, जो मालिक है. Employees का मतलब है क्यों? जो काम करता है. What is the conflict need of both? Understand? Like what the owner wants, what the employer want. Employer want always to give less salaries to the employees and get more and more work from them or not. Again, what the owner want or the employer want, they wants to give less salaries and less wages, and they wants to get more and more job or not, more and more work or not. On the other hand, what the employees want, like you and me, those who are working under someone, what you want? We want more salaries and less work. This is a conflict between them or not? मालिक क्या चाहता है बेटा? कम पैसा में ज़्यादा काम. और जो काम करता है वो क्या चाहता है? वो चाहता है ज़्यादा पैसा में कम काम. ये दोनों का अंदर में कम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है कि नहीं है? सेकेंड पॉइंट. व्हाट द एम्प्लॉयर्स वांट? दे वांट्स टू गिव यू लेस फैसिलिटीज. ओके. On the other hand, what the worker wants, what the employees want, they want the more facilities in the working place or not. So this is also a conflict need or not? Now I am coming to the second point. What is the conflict between the shareholders and the customers? Please understand. What is the conflict between the shareholders and the customers? What the shareholders want? Shareholders wants that the company should earn more and more profit. They should sell the things in higher price. And if they sell the things in higher price, their profit will be more. And when their profit will be more, the part of the profit the shareholders are going to get or not in the form of dividend. On the other hand, what the customers want? Customers want the better quality of good in less price. See, दोनों का अंदर में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है. शेयर होल्डर क्या चाहता है बेटा? कंपनी ज़्यादा दाम में सामान को बेचे तो कंपनी का ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट होगा. जब ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट होगा तो उसका हिस्सा किसको मिलेगा? शेयर होल्डर्स को मिलेगा. ऑन द अदर हैंड, व्हाट द कस्टमर्स वांट? कस्टमर्स वांट द हायर क्वालिटी ऑफ गुड्स. अच्छा सामान कम दाम में. सी, दोनों का बीच में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इज देयर और नॉट? थर्ड पॉइंट, the conflict between the owner and the government. What the government want? गवर्नमेंट वन हायर रेट ऑफ टैक्स, हर एक चीज़ में टैक्स ज़्यादा मिलना चाहिए, गवर्नमेंट इंटरेस्टेड, बिकॉज इफ द गवर्नमेंट गेट मोर टैक्स देयर what I'm talking about, their economic condition will improve. On the other hand, what the owner want, they want to pay less tax to the government or not, so there is also a conflict. What the government want, more tax, on time payment they want. On the other hand, what the owner is wanting less tax, and they should get more time to pay the tax or not. So these are called conflict interest. So दोनों का इंटरेस्ट है कंपनी बढ़े, बट दोनों का बीच में अपना अपना कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है. सो आई एक्सप्लेन यू दिस टाइप ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इंटरेस्ट. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. यू लिसन टू माई वीडियोज 1 or 2 times, you'll be able to understand what is the conflict needs of the stakeholders of an organization. Okay, I hope I made it very clear to you. Now today's homework, learn the expectation of competitors, society and government. Thank you so much.